this lecture, we are going to see some very important uh, skill that every prompt engineer should have. That is understanding different LLMs, pros and cons, and their capabilities. And because before we write the prompt or before we use AI tools, AI chatbots to solve our task, we should know which LLM will best suit for our the particular task that we are going to solve it, right? So before knowing that, if you are good at writing the prompts but you don't know which chatbot is uh, have some strength to solve a particular task, so that is a most important skill before writing any prompts to solve our task, right? So to learn this skill, we have to know, right? We have to know which LLM have some great capabilities and limitations that can help us to choose the best tool to solve that particular task. Okay, as a prompt engineer, you should be great at writing the prompt, and as well as you have to know which LLM is per- uh, with which LLM best suit for our particular task to solve it. Okay, this skill can be achieved by uh, using different LLMs to solve a particular task, right? For this, by using the this method, we can uh, check the strengths and weakness of each LLM. Okay, for selecting the for choosing the best LLM to do some specific task. Okay, so you can see here. So what we are going to learn is, so we will see some different LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, right? So some task will take same specific task to understand how the LLM will help us to solve it. So we will use one particular task for all the LLMs to check which LLM is uh, solving the task in efficient manner. Okay, you can see, and we are seeing some tips to match prompts to the strengths of each model. So we are going to see which model has some strength to solve the particular problem or task. Okay, I hope you understand this. So there is a question, why understanding LLMs matters. So as I said, each language module has its strengths, okay, its own capabilities, okay, and knowing them allows you to tailor your prompts effectively. So as I said, as a prompt engineer, you should better at writing prompts for each and every language model, right? So it can be a ChatGPT, it can be Gemini, it can be a Claude or any other LLM. So you should be better at writing the prompts, not at one one specific LLM. Okay, so you can uh, as a prompt engineer, you are able to write prompts for any LLM. That is called a prompt engineering. Okay, not if you have specific master in one specific LLM, so you can use that skill to solve the task which have the strength of that LLMs that you are mastering, that you have master in that. So for example, if you have some prompt engineering skill and the task is not easily solved by this particular LLM that you have the deeper knowledge or that you have some mastery in that LLM, so it can be waste of time to writing the prompts that to solve some particular task. This task can be solved by other LLM effectively. So for that, as a prompt engineer, we have to see which LLM shoot will match perfect for those tasks to solve it. Okay, so that is the point here. So what is the best tip to test the LLMs, okay, for that help us to choose the model to solve the particular task. So you can see the tip here. Test the same prompt on different models to compare outputs and identify the best fit for your needs. So you can see here, this is the best tip ever. Okay, so to test the LLMs, okay, which perfect to match our task. We can see that we have to use same prompt. Okay, we have to use same prompt on different LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, and other. We will see in the upcoming mm, lecturer. You can see here. So on different models to compare output and identify the best fit for your needs. So what is a tip means? If you, for example, if you are solving the task particular to write content creation for education in so and so domain, okay, so for that you will write a prompt. That prompt should be used in all the LLMs like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and other AI models. Okay, after that the AI will generate the output. Okay, this prompt will generate the best output. Okay, the output is analyzed by us. Okay, after analyzing the outputs of all the LLMs, so that we can analyze and we can finalize the which model can solve the this task better. Okay, after that we will write the follow prompts and all those things in deeper. Okay, so to explain or to understanding in better way, let's jump into the our all the LLMs and we will test single prompt on all different models. Okay, after that we will compare. Let's see.